All right, guys, welcome back to the channel here at our beautiful Airbnb here just outside Stornoway in Lewis. We're gonna be doing some cooking in the kitchen. Finally, we're back. We've got a break for about 9 days. Might do another cooking one from the other one just because the other Airbnb we have in a few more days is even, well, I don't know if it's cooler than this. This one's pretty cool. But yeah, I wanted to bring you a bit. We're not at hotels for a few days and we're not eating out as much, so a good way to show you this little Airbnb and maybe a little cooking video. All right, so we'll give you a little rundown. It's a beautiful Airbnb here right on the coast. We've got the fire going. It's about 55 degrees outside and just beautiful. But let's get in the kitchen and let's get cooking. All right, so we went to the local co-op. Asparagus, £1.50 for the entire bag. So that's about $1.90. We got our bell peppers. Got our little chicken here. I mean, I really wish we could support local Scottish meat people, but we don't know a lot of the places. But we did try and go to organic little cook stores. So we're just gonna dice this up. Doing like a little stir fry tonight here. Yeah, simple. Gotta watch the calories because obviously we've been going out and eating not the best. So yeah, healthy food. All right, so we're doing a Beaujolais Chateau de la Pia. It's actually really nice, medium body to light. Nice berry notes, just really nice, easy drinking, 2020. And let's see what Nicole came up with. Didn't really want to show you much of the cooking process, but I'll go over the dish now that we have it plated. All right, so we got some nice chicken here, a little lemon, rapeseed oil, did the cold press rapeseed. They don't have a lot of that in the States as far as we're concerned, but it actually has a lower fat content than olive oil would have. So you got to get the cold press though and organic, obviously, because then it's got a lot more nutrients. And did the asparagus and peppers, and it looks great. Man, Nicole, 5-star. Thanks, guys. Make sure to do a big thumbs up. We appreciate you.